Well, hi, I'm Patty, and today we're going to do an activity about bugs. Now, not everybody likes bugs. I'm even a little scared of spiders. But did you know outside bugs need homes too? I bet you live in a home, and even bugs want a house. So today, I'm going to show you how I made my bug motel. So if you look inside the box here, I have some pine cones, some twigs, some moss, okay, and I have some leaves. Now, I found almost everything outside that I needed for my bug house. I also went to YouTube, and you could ask the people what you live with because there's some really great YouTube videos on how to make your bug house. I found a box at the dollar store. So I got this box and I decided to paint it. So you could decorate your bug house, you could leave it plain, but I decided to paint it and put on some decorations on the front. And I'm gonna make the last box of my bug house and show you what I did because it was so easy. So I got some leaves. Now there's much easier to find leaves now outside. So you can get your leaves. And I put my leaves right here in the slot, just like that. And then I found outside, anybody know what these are? If you guess sticks and twigs, you're right. But my twig is a little bit too long. So all I did was I broke it into some pieces. If you need help, you could find someone that could help you. And I broke them into smaller pieces, just like this. There's one twig. And I put this inside my bug house. And then I took my other stick. Makes a little bit of a mess. It's really fun if it's nice outside, you could make your bug house outside. Then I took the rest of my sticks, in they went. So now I have some leaves and sticks in the end. Then there's lots and lots of, what are these? Do you know? There was tons of them outside under some trees, some pine trees. They're pine cones. Then you can take your pine cone and put it in the end of the box, just like this. And the last thing I added, because bugs like places to hide, and they like it kind of dark, and then I thought, if I put some moss in, it would feel nice and warm at night too. So I got some moss. Now I bought my moss at the dollar store, but you could find some moss outside if you wanted to. And I just put it in here. So now I have moss and twigs and leaves and pine cones. And look at that nice bug motel. That's some great places for the bugs to hide. And then the fun part is, you put the bug motel outside. Could even get a magnifying glass, or you could just look. And then, as your bug house sits outside, you could quietly tiptoe up. And whoa, you might see some creatures, some insects living inside your house. Now, we here at the EarlyON have times that we get to play outside. So I'm going to put our bug house in the yard. So if you happen to come and play with us, you'll be able to check it out. I also found out some interesting information about bugs and which bugs can go inside and which bugs inside where they like to live. So I also will have that by the bug house. You'd be able to read it and see what kind of bugs come in the summer and what kind like to live all year in the bug motel. And if you make a bug motel, you can hashtag EarlyON Brantford Brant, and then you can send your pictures and show us what your bug house looks like. Now, I thought, since we're talking about bugs, we could play a guessing game. So, I'm gonna think of the bug, and I'm gonna try and describe it, and see if you can guess which bug it is. Okay, I'm gonna give you some hints. Let's see. This bug, it's usually green or brown. Do you know yet? It has wings. Do you know yet? It has some big hind legs that help it jump. really high. They're excellent jumpers. Want to take a guess? Here we go. Grasshopper. If you guessed grasshopper, you were right. 1 point for you. Okay, here we go. Okay, next bug. It has 6 legs. There can be red or brown or black usually. The black ones are usually bigger than the smaller ones. Usually the brown or red ones are usually really tiny. They like to live in hills. They make hills, in fact. And they're very good workers. Do you have an idea? If you guessed an ant, you were right. Good job. I've already said I don't like this bug very much. It scares me. Do you remember? It has 8 legs. Oh, it likes to make some webs in the corner. Do you know what it is now? Let's see if you guessed it. A spider. And you guessed right. Okay, my next bug. It has wings. It can fly. It has a stinger in the back. And my bug likes to work really hard and make something delicious and sweet to eat. Are you ready to guess? Let's see. A bee. That's right. Okay, the last bug in our guessing game. Let's see if you can get it right. It's usually just red and black. It has wings and it can fly. It has dots, usually black polka dots on its back. Did I give it away? Did you guess? A ladybug? Good job. Now, I thought it would be fun to show you some pictures of some other bug houses that you could find to make. This one is made out of a coffee can. Can you see that? That's an easy way to make a bug house. Now this one is out of bark and sticks, and they used a big, usually pop comes in it, a 2-liter bottle. Let me show you. That one looks pretty easy to make. This one looks like it was made out of a laundry detergent bottle. Let's see, it's got, oh, it even has paper towel rolls in it. Are you ready? Look at that one. And the last bug house I have to show you, looks like they made it maybe out of 8 cartons. And they put it in a box. It's got all the same things we've been talking about. Isn't that cool? So the last thing I thought we would do is sing a song about insects. There's even a song about insects. So here we go. It's to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus. So it goes like this. The firefly at night goes blink, 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 blink. The firefly at night goes blink, 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 all through the night. The bees in the flower go bzz, 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 bzz. The bees in the flowers go bzz, 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 all through the day. What's next? The ants. The ants in the grass go march, 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 march. The ants in the grass go march, 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 all through the day. The grasshoppers. The grasshoppers in the field go hop, 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 hop. The grasshoppers in the field go hop, 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 all through the day. Guess what? That would be a fun thing if you pretended to be those insects and fly or hop or march just like them. And you have lots of space at the park or in your backyard, or if you're on for a walk, you can look for the insects and then you can try and do what they do. All right, thanks for joining me. See you next time.